Armored and relentless, the scorpion has remained nearly unchanged for over 400 million years.
Every movement is deliberate. Energy is never wasted.
In the desert, efficiency defines survival.
It does not rely on sight. It feels the world through vibration.
Every signal tells a story written beneath the ground.
Stillness becomes its greatest weapon. The hunt begins long before the strike. Night favors the patient. Venom is not rage, antade. It is precision. In a fraction of a second, patience becomes violence.
The venom attacks the nervous system instantly.
Control is absolute. There is no need to strike twice.
Efficiency defines the hunt. The hunt ends as quietly as it began.
Energy is preserved for the next challenge.
Even at rest, awareness never fades.
Territory shifts, but instinct remains constant. Another signal, another opportunity. Darkness sharpens instinct. The weapon is always ready. Timing decides everything.
Paralysis follows within seconds.
Nature does not pause for survival. Armor meets the storm.
Adaptation is the true advantage. The cycle never stops. Another day begins. Tools must be maintained. Survival is the true ruler here. Darkness belongs to the prepared. The weapon never rests. Life thrives in silence. Instinct warns before sight.
Control prevents conflict.
Survival sometimes means restraint. Another hunt awaits.
Fear comes from misunderstanding.
The scorpion Maddie. Small in size, lethal by design, perfectly evolved.
In nature, survival is written in patience and venom.